We'll guide you through how to transfer a Minecraft world from a PC to a Minecraft server. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So Hat's been working on a world and now you want to go and put it on a server so you can easily go and play with your friends and other people can go and start playing it as well. So we're going to guide you through this step by step, whether you're doing this on a server you host on your computer or whether you're using a hosting provider. We'll guide you through both. If you're looking for a Minecraft server hosting provider, look no further than Apex Hosting. A big thanks to them for sponsoring this video. If you're interested in the server, there's going to be a link down below in the description and the pinned comment. Right now, you can get 25% off your first order as well, so definitely go and check them out. They've got some great features as well if we come down. You can go and see here, you get a free subdomain. You can have unlimited slots so people can go and join. 24/7 servers and support, meaning you can get the help anytime you need it, and automated backups, keeping your server safe. So definitely go and check them out, link down below. And we're going to be using them for hosting our server and putting our world on there as well. So to go and get started, you can come and return to Minecraft. And what we're going to do is go and quit the world for now. Now, what you need to do is go and look in the bottom left. This is the version you're currently running. And if we go and press single player, we can go and see the version there as well. So this is the version that the server will need to be running as well in order for it to go and just properly work and avoid any corruption. So it's 1.21.11. Then what you can do here is you want to go and have the world selected and you can go down and press edit. Then you can press open world folder like so. Now what we can do is we can come in here and you're going to see all your game files. What you can do is you can now go and close out of Minecraft, and I'll just come out of our web browser for now. What you want to do is come at the top of the file explorer and you can go and press saves and you'll go and see it here. I've only got one, making it easy. In most cases, you're going to have a lot here. So make sure you have the right one selected. And what you want to do is go and right click on it and you can press copy or press Control C to do that. And we can then come out of here. So we now have another copy of it here. I'm just going to drag it in the middle. If you're hosting the server on your computer, all you need to do is go and open up the server folder like so. Then you're going to go and find the world folder here in your server folder. So what you want to do is go make a backup of this. So what you can do is right click on it. You can go and press copy, or in fact, you can just go and drag the entire thing out of here for now. And there it is. Then what you can do is drag in your world folder, or alternatively, you want to go and right click on it, press copy, and then you can come and paste it in here like so. And it should then be in here, as you can see. Now, what you want to do is go and rename this. So you can right click on it and you can go and press rename. Or what you can do is simply go and click on it once, click it again, and you can then just type it in the name as world, like so. Now, what we can do is go and launch this server. This is already the correct version, 1.21.11. Otherwise, I need to make sure it would be, but it is in this case. So I can then double click it, and the console is going to go and open up. Now what we can do is we can come and return to Minecraft, and I'll just go and join the server, showing you successfully done this. We can press multiplayer. I'll press add server and go and type in local host. This is my server. We can select it and press join server, and I'm now joining, and here is the world, as you can see. So that is it. That is how you can do it with a local server. Now, if you want to go and use a host like Apex Hosting, the sponsor of this video, this is much easier for your friends to go and join. Otherwise, with this, you need to go and start port forwarding amongst other things. Then what we need to do is come to the host. You can go and open up a web browser. If you're yet to go and get your server, what you want to do is go and press rent your server here. You can then go down here and choose a plan. And you can then go and press order. Let's say go for this one here, just to go and make sure we can easily handle it. The order will load and you can go and check out here. After you've gone and got your server, then what you need to do is go to the top right and you can go and press panel, and you can then go and select your server here. So here it is. Now what you want to do is go and press stop. And then what you need to do is go over to the left and you want to go and find the option for FTP file access. We can then go and get in here. I'll go and press login. Be patient. And now we're going to go and see the different files here. Don't get overwhelmed. We'll guide you through what you need to know step by step. So first of all, you have got the world folder here, so you can go and select it. If you want to go and keep this, what you'll need to do is go and right click on it. You can then go and press compress, and it'll go and make it into a zip file. And once it's a zip file, then what you'll be able to do is go and download it on your computer and go and keep a backup of it there. Otherwise, what you can do is when you go and find the world folder, you can go and right click on it and you want to go and press delete. We can go and confirm the decision like so. Just go and wait for it to go and delete. Then what you can do is you want to go and upload the folder here. So the new world 44. So usually you'd have to go make it into a zip file and then go and upload it. But with Apex, you can simply go and if I go scroll up on the left here and you want to then click, hold, and you can drag it. And you want to make sure you put it in the entire folder like so and release. And you can now see it's uploading. So you can go and see the progress there. It shouldn't go and take too long. We can see here that it's now finished. And what you want to do is go and right click on it and you want to go and press rename. Name it something you can easily find. I'm going to go and type in GuideRealm like so. Then you can go and press OK. Wait for that to go and update. And then what you want to do is you can come down to game file and select here. And I'll just go and type in 1.21.11. And we want to go and find the full release. Here it is. So we can select it, go and wait. And then we're going to press change version, press use existing world. Then we'll press restart now. Now come to world and you can press change world, press the remove button. And then you want to go and type in exactly as what you called it. So for me, it was GuideRealm like so. And then you can go and press enter. And here it is. And so then what you can do is you can go and see this here and you can go and press create world like so. Press restart now and the server should go and restart. When it goes and starts, let's now go and join. So what you can do is grab the subdomain or you can grab the IP address and port. I'll press copy, come to Minecraft and you want to come to multiplayer and go and press add server. Then you can go and add it in here and press done. Then I'll go and press join server and here it is. This is the world and it's now on a server and we can go and play it. So that's it. That's how you can go and transfer it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future.